Yeah, hi, I'm Alan Kennedy, CEO of LifeCare. Yeah, LifeCare's been undergoing a lot of change with different stuff that was coming and going in a sector that is under immense pressure and immense change. And today, Trudy's run a fantastic session which has allowed staff to actually have a chance to self-reflect on their own styles, learn more about each other, and build great confidence in terms of how we can engage and make life just a little bit easier for ourselves in the new year. Highly recommend the disc profile session that Trudy runs. It's outstanding, and I'm sure it's going to make a big difference to my team who thoroughly enjoyed today. Thank you.